Hello all, this is Mosi from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about the data visualization using Power BI. We are already discussed the basic introductions of data visualization types, advantages, then specific examples, business intelligence, then benefits, BI methods, then what are the BI benefits, data sources, then workflow, how we have to extracting the data from the website, then comparison of Power BI and Tableau we are already discussed. uh, so now we are going to discuss about the types of reports that we can create using Power BI, like a financial analysis report called we can easily analyze what is the profit, what is the resources, what is the total cost profitability. For example, if I'm taking as an sample superstore as a flat file, means over to that how I can correlate them profit loss, liabilities, then assets, then liability versus assets, then gross profit margin, revenue and expense, then revenue versus expense, then profit and loss statements for the chosen year, then monthly expense broke down, then revenue distribution. So these all we can easily create the data. Then HR analytical report. uh, so here organizational attrition and new hiring, then local based staffing and new hiring, then count of active employees and new hiring employees, then year of experience, domain, expenses of recruiting, then patterns in attrition. So these we can easily analytic do a report on Power BI. Then customer profitability reports called gross profit margins of the business during the course of the year, then total number of clients that the business served, then the sales of the top 5 most popular items, then growth in sales of numerous items during the course of the year, then variations in income at the bottom and top of the month, then regions to generate the most revenue. Then we are moving on to the digital marketing reports, cost per thousand impressions, so which means CPM versus click per cost per day per person, how they are clicking the particular link, that is called as a click per cost. Then cost per thousand impression, then advertising the spend over time, then visualization of CTR, click through rate, so that is called as an CTR, and bouncing rate. So these all we can easily correlate using Power BI. Then website analytics report called matrices for bounce rates for the particular website, then conversions on the websites, then visits to the websites, so how many person per the link will be visited again and again. Then next one is a paginated reports. They are generally called paginated because they are formatted to fit well on a page. They display all the data in a table even if the table spans multiple pages. You can control their report page layout exactly. The Power BI report builder is the standalone tool for authoring paginated reports for the Power BI services. And then how it will be edited means through the Power BI report in desktop. If in the Power BI service we have to select the edit, then select paginated report from the visualization pane, then select connect to report, then search for the select an existing paginated report that will be saved in a Power BI services, then select set parameters. Then you have two options for mapping paginated report parameters. Then you can bind the paginated report parameter to Power BI field. So first we have to drag uh, your Power BI field into parameter field in the visualization pane. Then select this field from the drop down menu.